से करो परहेज, शादी में मत मांगो दहेज, दहेज जो भी मांगेगा उसको इंडिया सूली पर टांगेगा। Good morning, sir. Good morning, my dear friends. Today I am standing here in front of you to deliver a short note on the topic of dowry system. For better understanding of this topic, so I divided my topic into 4 parts. The first one is introduction. The second one is why dowry system be stopped. The third one is effect of dowry system. And the fourth one is conclusion. So let's start with the introduction. Dowry system is started in India since a very long time. Our ancestors started this system to the valid reason, but now it leads to the issues and problem in the society. It is the money that is given during the marriage to the boy and their family. Even property are also given in the dowry. Dowry is also known as dahej in Arabic. Nowadays, the groom parents will doing like a business to the bride's family. The dowry system also increasing the crime in India. Now it's turned to the why dowry system be stopped. The dowry system is becoming a burden to the bride's parents. In India, everyone speaks and progress and they are say to the women's right to beti bachao, beti padhao. But even when a girl is achieving their life in something and they cannot stop the escape of dowry system. So to stop this heinous crime, the government has made the law for the people who is giving dowry and taking dowry under the Act of 1961. Now it's turned to the effect of dowry system. So the effect of dowry system is that the poor people does not afford to have a girl child. Poor people do not have any groom to marry their daughter, so they cannot afford to have a girl child in their family. So they are intentionally kill the infant girl. The cases of infanticide girls are also increasing in India. More than 80,000 women are killed because of dowry. So if you see someone who is taking dowry and giving dowry, you have to complain against them. So in conclusion, we see that freedom and education are the two most powerful gifts that the parents should be given to their daughters. At home, both boy and girl are similar treated and give equal opportunity. Although the government has also practiced the dowry system to completely exist in our society. So this is all about dowry system. Thank you.